Hey guys, my name's Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own James Charles inspired intro using this footage and iMovie. So go ahead and use savefrom.net or some means to download this video onto your computer and go into iMovie, create new movie project, and import this video clip as well as whatever you're going to use in the background. So drag this on top, and with it selected and on green, go up to the video overlay settings and select green, blue screen. And then come up here where the text is going to come in and drag one of these titles in, your text. I'll put a couple links to some typefaces that I liked for this, some script fonts, but abstract expressions. Ooh, your text. In a green screen in this video too. Yeah, it's pretty convenient. It goes out at almost the right time. But if you have your own little like face illustration or some additional text you want to use, I would just stop at one of these, like just when it's pure white almost, and then do insert like a hold frame, and so then you can control however long you want this to go on until the outro, and just make it yours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you used this in your video, please hashtag your Asian bot so people can find my channel. Thank you.
I want to get to know you. I want to get to know you, man. I'm trying to get to know you. I'm trying to dance with you. I'm trying to swim with you. All I know is extravagant things, though, man.